do not sleep on Anchor. I understand it's at 7 cents and we're up 2% for the day, but I'm going to show and share with you some things that's been developing behind the scenes of this really great project, and you may want to consider adding this into your portfolio. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for this video today. Well, thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, Anchor has some great things that's happening to this project. Now, it just reached over 50,000 registered users, and our users come from USA, Russia, China, and among other places. This is big because this is a global project. And also, I will have my price prediction at the end of this video. So it now has 50,000 registered. So this is a really good thing for Anchor. Now, you're probably wondering, if you're not holding Anchor, what is Anchor? Well, Anchor Network is created to provide, and I'll go ahead and zoom this in, a new blockchain solution that leverages idle computing power from devices and data center as a whole. Now, I'm going to show you more developments, what that means, and exactly how this can impact the future, really. Now, Anchor, let me go back here. Now, Anchor has this right here. This is something I'm really excited about. You have the Q2 recap, and you have all these different type of, exchanges, and you also have other companies as well. You notice Anchor's in the middle, and it says another 3 months have passed, and we have wrapped up our Q2. Read about it. So if I click on the medium.com, it shows a really good article about Anchor. Now, what I like about it is it says the product updates. They're launching StakeFi, and I'll go a little bit more into that in a few minutes. That's one of the big updates here. They also have new partnerships that's being created. That's which I really like about it. And also, look at all these partnerships. Look at it. Polygon, you got Byte, look at this. It's awesome. So you got the partnerships, and you got the new developments and stuff like that. So if I zoom in, this is the Internet Bond Launchpad, and they basically are in process and actually going through all these different type of developments in here with the Stake AVAX Alpha, the Internet Bond DeFi partners, the staking nodes, and develop the APIs. All this stuff is going on right now, and this is why I would not sleep on Anchor, because they are developing things right underneath our eyes. 3 years of Anchor. Happy birthday, Anchor. Starting from the top on June 23rd, Anchor turns 3 years old. So it's only 3 years old, and they've done a lot. I understand you go back at the price, it's only 7 cents, but I'll have a price prediction what I think where this is going to go by the end of this year, based on the max supply, the total supply, and the development of this actually project. And if I continue going on along here, I like the fact that you have the exchanges and other companies around here, because all this is involving Anchor. Now, Anchor StakeFi, like I was talking about, the Internet Bond Launchpad, you can connect your staking rewards with DeFi. Now, it shows you why stake with Anchor, and this is the reason why. Now, this is something you may want to know and maybe want to do if you're not doing this already. Anchor's ETH2 staking solution provides the best user experience. Look at that, the best user experience and the highest level of safety, combined with an attractive reward mechanism and instant staking liquidity through a bond-like synthetic token called ATHC. Now, this is it right here. This is actually the protocol and all the advancement. You see Avalanche is right there. You see Polygon is right there. You see some other ones as well. And I'm going to tell you also, Avalanche is also another project that you definitely don't want to sleep on as well. It has a little bit of video right here. Let me go ahead and play this.
Staking Ethereum presents many barriers: the amount of ETH, the technical demands, and continual node management. Staker removes all of these barriers instantly. Visit staker.io. Click Launch App button. Select Wallet. We support the most commonly used wallets, like MetaMask for desktop and Trust Wallet for mobile. Make sure you've selected the Ethereum main network. The slider lets you select anything from 0.5 to however much Ethereum you have in your wallet. Click Stake, and Staker will stake your Ethereum automatically to the nodes with the highest reputation, all decentralized. Unlike other services, your original stake can never be slashed. Stay safe with Staker.
Stay safe with Staker. Absolutely. That's one reason why I would use Staker. and use this protocol because I can stay safe and can earn rewards. And then this is how to stake, and this is what I was talking about a little bit before. You go back to that website, you click on launch app, then the wallet screen pops up and connect your wallet of your choice, and then select start stake, click on stake. That's it. It's only 3 steps here how you can do that. And I will have the link in, let's see if I can have the link in the description how to do this. All you do is click on there, and then you can watch the short video if you need to know how to do it. But you can also follow the steps right in here of how you can start staking with this process. So, and it shows you why you should do it. You can calculate your earnings by connecting your wallet. It's a really simple way of doing it and doing this, and access the ANKR ETH2 staking services. You can use some of this information as well. You got Uniswap, what I'm very familiar with, and Trust Wallet as well, and MetaMask. Those are 3 I'm really familiar with. And you can use this as well as connectivity. ANKR is one of those, I'm telling you, one of those hidden gems that's doing a lot of good things. Staking, you keep it safe, you earn rewards, and you can continue developing and growing with this awesome project right here. Which meaning gives me to this team right here. This is the ANKR team. And it starts with the CEO, Chandler Song, and also the COO, Ryan Fang. And these guys here is an unbelievable development team. They're very talented, and I always like to look at the team of these projects and do the research on these individuals, because you kind of can see what their background is and what they're going as well. And it says, our team is made up of people passionate about disruptive innovations and located in 16 countries. And look at this industry leading team with previous work experience. Look at all these guys. Look at this. You got Oracle, you got Amazon, you got Fitbit. So if you're thinking about, okay, I don't know about investing in something like an ANKR, look at what the team has been through, like their background, and do the research on that. If I see things like Amazon and Oracle and Ethereum and Goldman Sachs, I'm going to be very, very interested in this project, and I want to see some development. So the next thing I would go and look at what the development's doing. What's it doing with development? You got 50,000 registered users, and then you also got the launchpad. The internet bond launchpad is being staked up where I can earn rewards and making things easier in terms of my everyday use, because it's all about the user experience. Now, with me going back to the price here, 7 cents, I really believe this project has tremendous potential. I'm gonna say $1, because you can buy ANKR in a lot of different places now. You can buy ANKR on Coinbase. Coinbase, I have the link in the description. One is easy to buy. You can buy it on Gemini, KuCoin, Coinbase, Binance, and among others as well. I'll have the link in the description box of Coinbase and Gemini link. But the reason why I think it's $1, because you also have a max supply and total supply of 10 billion, which I think that is doable to getting close to $1. In a bull run, I think $1 in this project in the future is no question what happened, because you have something very unique that ANKR is doing. And so they're doing something that I think it could revolutionize the technology stake. And if you go back to their home page, they're basically representing that right now, paving the way to open internet of the future. So now it makes me think, okay, I'm thinking about, what's next with the internet technology? What can I make it easier for my user experience as well? And this is one of the things right here. What I would think about is the ANKR StakeFi Internet Bond Launchpad right there. And then you have the also technology with the Q2 recap, which basically they are already in the process and is doing Q3 type of things. And then also you have the infrastructure and the growth of their Twitter following is 114,000. I will look that to be growing each and every single day. So I like ANKR. They're growing with the users. They're growing with the technology. And my price prediction is still $1. I do think this could be $1 in the future in this bull run. That's my price prediction. I'm sticking to it. I like the team. I like the technology. I love the fact that they're thinking of the future and they're thinking of the user as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Click on the link below. You can check out, you can go ahead and invest into ANKR. It's very simple to do. Coinbase is on there. I remember the day they got on there, I was excited about ANKR getting on Coinbase. I think that was a good move by Coinbase, and on Gemini as well. Those two of my favorite exchanges to do. So I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.